Welcome to the step-by-step tutorial on replacing the screen of a MacBook Air A2337. So, your screen is cracked. Maybe you dropped your laptop, maybe your cat knocked it off the table, or maybe you just stared at it too hard in frustration. Either way, we're here to fix it. Before we begin, make sure to power off your MacBook and disconnect all peripherals. Unless you enjoy a little extra excitement in your repairs, but I wouldn't recommend it. Let's get started. Flip your MacBook over and remove the 10 P5 Pentalobe screws securing the bottom case. Gently pry open the back cover from the top using your hands or a plastic spudger. Once removed, set the cover aside. Before touching any internal components, we need to disconnect the battery. Locate the battery connector in the lower middle section of the logic board. Use a spudger or your fingernail to pry the connector up from the board carefully. Now, we're removing the metal brackets over the Wi-Fi antenna and LCD connector. Carefully lift the antenna cables from the connector. Using your T5 Torx, remove the 4 screws from the Wi-Fi antenna bar and the 2 screws on the LCD board. Now that you've removed the screws, pull the antenna bar up from the computer. Now remove the 6 T8 Torx screws securing the hinges on both sides. To remove the old screen, fully open the display and gently rock the hinges back and forth while lifting them out of the palm rest. Now, install the new screen by positioning it with the hinges fully open. Once aligned, insert one screw on each side to temporarily secure the display. Carefully close the lid completely. Then slightly loosen the hinge screws to ensure the screen sits flush with the palm rest on all four sides. Once properly aligned, insert and tighten the remaining 6 T8 screws to secure the display in place. Now, reinstall the remaining components in the reverse order of removal. Starting with the Wi-Fi antenna bar, align it properly, then use a flat tool to apply gentle pressure to the middle section, pressing it securely into the palm rest. Once in place, insert and tighten the T5 Torx screws to secure the bar. Now, reconnect the remaining cables to the motherboard. Align each cable carefully with its connector, ensuring it is centered. Then apply gentle downward pressure until you feel a small snap, indicating a secure connection. After reconnecting the battery in the final step, you can now test the screen. In most cases, you'll need to plug in the charging cable to power on the MacBook. Moment of truth. Press the power button and hope for the best. If the Apple logo shows up, congratulations, you did it. If not, take a deep breath and check your connections. Finish by attaching the back cover and inserting the remaining P5 screws, and that's it. You've successfully replaced your MacBook Air screen. Now, treat your laptop with care. Maybe get a case, maybe stop balancing it on the edge of your couch. Just saying, if this guide helped you, like and subscribe for more repair tutorials, or drop a comment telling us how your repair went. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next repair.